Here I have OPPO Reno 6 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to add Google account on this device and also how to remove it. So firstly, you have to open settings. You can go to the users and accounts section, then tap add account, select Google. Of course, you'll need internet connection to add Google account. So here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy. And at last, what you will have to do is to tap accept here. And now account will be added. So if you want to delete this account, just select it here and then tap here and select remove account and confirm it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.